In the universe of smartphone photography, the Google Pixel 7's camera shines like a supernova. This device is a testament to Google's relentless pursuit of photographic excellence, pushing the boundaries of what we can expect from a smartphone camera. Diving into the heart of this photographic powerhouse, we find a camera system that's packed with cutting-edge technology. The Google Pixel 7's camera boasts an aperture of f2.2, capable of capturing stunning portrait selfies across a range of ISO settings. From ISO 36, ideal for brightly lit environments, to ISO 171, designed for those lower light scenarios, the Pixel 7 ensures the perfect shot every time. The video recording capabilities of the Pixel 7 are equally impressive, capping at 4K at 60 frames per second across all of its cameras. While you won't find 8K recording here, it's no loss. 8K is still a niche and improving feature in smartphones, more of a tech showcase than a practical tool. The Pixel 7 instead focuses on delivering excellent 4K footage, with stabilization available on all three cameras. The 2160p at 30 frames per second footage is simply outstanding. Expect a wide dynamic range, rich colors, and an abundance of detail. There's no noise to disturb your viewing pleasure, and with contrast and sharpness on point, your videos will be as close to professional grade as possible with a smartphone. In summary, the Google Pixel 7's camera is a marvel of modern technology, with a versatile aperture and ISO range for exceptional portrait selfies and top-tier video capabilities that deliver high-quality 4K footage. It's more than just a smartphone camera. It's a pocket-sized testament to Google's commitment to pushing the boundaries of what's possible in mobile photography. It's about capturing those fleeting moments and making them last forever.